Hi, my name is Gary Glasscock. I work for Environmental Services. I'm the Assistant Director here. One of the first phases in the wastewater system is our collection system. Basically, it takes the flow of the used water that we use in residential and commercial properties and conveys it here to the treatment facility. It does that through a series of gravity sewer lines. We take the use of gravity, it's free energy. But at some point we have to pump that fluid as well and pump it further downstream with the ultimate goal of getting that wastewater to the treatment plant. Along with the collection system, there's numerous maintenance activities that go along with that. We have to TV the pipes, make sure they're clean. We have to actually jet the pipes out to try to minimize any backups that could occur and prevent any sewer overflows, and we also do repairs on the system. We can do point repairs, which is basically repairing a specific area within the plant. We also have contractors that come in and actually line the pipe, if you will, related to a sock being put inside of a pipeline that basically refurbishes that pipe to almost as new condition and will make that pipe last another 20, 30, 40 years. So all of that put together helps us get that fluid, the wastewater, to the treatment plant where we begin the process of actually treating that sewage.
My name is David Winkler. I'm one of the operations supervisors here at the reclamation facility. And basically what we do here is we take the wastewater collected from homes and businesses throughout the city, and through a series of biological and chemical treatment processes, we convert it to environmentally friendly products such as reclaimed water used on landscape and irrigation, and then our biosolids is converted to nutrient-rich, slow-release fertilizer. In the first part, there's the preliminary treatment, is where we remove all the screenings and rags and debris. And then after that process, it goes into the aeration process, where the bugs convert the biological oxygen demand and get rid of the carbon in the water. And then through settling, we remove the solids, which is then turned into the biosolids.
My name is David Black. I'm a supervisor for Reclaimed Water. We distribute the water to residential customers and commercial customers. And the main goal of Reclaimed Water is to offset potable water use on irrigation and cooling towers. And we do pipe failures, we repair the pipe. We have 3 tank sites, and we PM all the stations, and we take care of all the reclaimed water distribution side of the city.
My name is Davor Soldo. I'm an environmental manager with the city of Largo. The program that I'm supervising is called Environmental Control. Environmental Control program consists of industrial pre-treatment program, privately owned collection and transmission system program, as well as commercial user program. We are a department consisting of 12 people, and our main goal is monitoring wastewater discharges, whether or not they are domestic or industrial wastewater discharges that eventually reach wastewater treatment facility and end up being discharged into the Tampa Bay. We are primary mechanism for preventing harmful discharges that can be either to the collection system that is publicly owned by the city of Largo, wastewater treatment facility, or environment itself.
My name's Candace Zollikoffer. I'm the Environmental Compliance Supervisor here at the Environmental Control Laboratory. The wastewater plant has their own lab on site that allows us to provide quick turnaround time for our data so that the plant operators can monitor the plant and make any necessary adjustments. We also monitor the results for them to make sure everyone stays in compliance under DEP, Department of Environmental Protection, rules and regulations. We test the dirty effluent that directly comes into the plant all the way to the end process, which is the effluent, the clean reclaimed water. That way we can ensure that it's a high quality product, safe for the environment, safe for the public that's being discharged.
Our principal goal here is to make sure that the public health is protected and the environment is protected from negative impacts of sewage. Historically in the United States, you go back 100 years ago, people used to get very, very ill from all kinds of diseases. And many people died because of these diseases related to waterborne bacteria and different kinds of small organisms that we can't even see. But today, that just doesn't happen in the United States because of facilities like the facility here in Largo and the training and knowledge and skills of the people that work here. And here at the City of Largo Environmental Services, our staff are highly trained. They're trained all the time. They're certified, they're licensed, and these are not easy things to get. It takes a huge commitment because this goes on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year. When the storming and lightning and thunder and electrical systems are going out around the city, our staff is out in that trying to keep things running. Well, Environmental Services is an enterprise department, which means we don't get our money from the property taxes or from any other services or fees that the city has for other departments. We get our money from the sewer bills that you pay. And the sewer bill is based on the amount of water you use that's metered through the county's water system. And that money comes in and it stays within our department, with the exception of us paying for the services we get from administration, things like finance and human resources and information technology, that type of support. But everything else is paid for through your sewer bill. We would really like for you to come down here and take a tour of the wastewater reclamation facility. You'll be very impressed what comes in and what goes out and all the things that happen in between.